think so. Stay vigilant. Brother!
He's gone. It's not fair. This can't be how it ends.
His wounds. He was mauled by something. Something big. Did you hear that?
Vasilis fought. He used his training and fought. To his last breath.
No matter his flaws, he was still a Spartan.
I hate this.
He died on his feet. A warrior's death. It's all we can ask for. This is my shield. I bear before me into battle. It is not mine alone.
It protects my brother on my left. It protects my city. I will never let my brother out of its shadow, nor my city out of its shelter. I will die with my shield before me, facing the enemy. This is my shield. I bear before me into battle.